So what is programming? Programming is a step-by-step instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform a specific task. So what is the meaning of step-by-step? What I am trying to say? A fun example can clarify the concept. The fun example is making ice cream recipe. If you can see a very nice recipe of ice cream on the screen, and this recipe, which I have indicated as recipe 1, is a complete recipe. And I am pretty sure if you follow all these 4 steps of making this ice cream, you will make a very nice ice cream in the end. However, there is another alternative recipe, that is recipe 2, which is incomplete in nature. It has only 3 steps, the 4th step is missing. Not only that, some of the part in all the steps are also missing. And I'm pretty sure if you just follow this recipe, you are going to make world's worst ice cream ever possible. So that is what the meaning of step-by-step instruction. When you will write the program, you should remember that computer will do only what you tell it to do. You should not assume that computer will do something for you automatically. So you should not miss any step while writing a program. When we want to formally define this concept, we eventually end up in algorithm. The definition of algorithm is just what we have discussed few minutes back. That is step-by-step instruction to solve a problem. Now, algorithm has 4 different properties. The first one is input and output. The algorithm should have a specific input and output. The second property is definiteness. That means each step of an algorithm must be precisely defined. The actions to be carried out must be rigorously and unambiguously specified for each case. What does that mean? For example, let's say you tell that bring that glass. Now, you did not mention bring the glass from where. Is it from the kitchen or is it from the study? Now, the person whom you have instructed, he or she is really confused. What do you mean by glass? Is it the glass for drinking water? Or is it the from kitchen? Or is it the glass means the spectacles, which is in your study room? So that type of things should never happen when you are writing a programming or writing the algorithm. The next one is finiteness. An algorithm must always terminate after a finite number of steps. If a process goes on forever without giving any output, then that is not an algorithm. And definitely based on that process, you cannot prepare a correct program. And the final one is the effectiveness. That is, it must be possible to perform each step of the algorithm correctly and in a finite amount of time. What does that mean? For example, you have instructed the person in front of you to do something which is not even possible to do. That means your instruction does not have any meaning. That should not happen. So this is all about what is program and what is algorithm, which is core of any program.